So all these are cosmetics.
Straighteners and waxing. Even we do have a waxers. Pedicure machines, all it is available. Pedicure machines, pedicure.
So guys, we are near Ganigar Pit, near Raja Market. You can see this temple, like, this is the landmark.
And actually, like, this store itself is a landmark. You can ask anybody for Kumar stores and they'll guide you.
It's like
Near
very,
Raja Market and you ask for Kumar stores.
yeah,
This is a 4-floor building for makeup and hair accessories.
yeah. Cosmetics.
Cosmetics, everything.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. You're watching V4 Vloggers. I'm Vignesh and this is Varun. I mean, today we have come to a legendary store.
Yeah,
I
I
can
mean, this is actually a landmark.
Yeah.
market.
Yeah, I mean, most of the women and girls will know
Yeah.
what this store is about. I mean, what's the store name, Varun?
So this is Kumar stores. They sell all kinds of
Cosmetics
cosmetics,
and
hair
hair
accessories,
accessories.
and anything related to makeup.
Yeah, makeup
So-
and personal care and everything.
Yeah. One good thing is, like, even if you come for retail purchase, you have a professional who can guide you, like,
Yeah.
based on your skin tone, what you should.
Yeah.
So they have a professional sitting here, and we'll show you this store. You will be like,
Yeah, I mean, they have each and every counter
Yeah.
for different, they've segregated each and every product.
Right.
It will be easy for you guys. I mean,
basically
they
they guide you, like, based on your skin tone what you should buy,
Yeah.
and you also get discounts on MRP.
have, yeah, and it's a 3-floor store,
Yeah.
so it's a quite big store here.
Yeah.
So let's go inside and check it out.
Yeah. Your name?
My name is Valli.
Okay. Like, what kind of products we get here?
See, we are available like all the cosmetic, like skincare, like face categories, like
Okay.
everything, like entire makeup sets. It's available. Even it has like basic range, even professionals, everything it will be available. Example, when you go to the cosmetic, like we do have a starts with a reasonable prices. Like where do we have like Himalaya starts. Even we do have like professional branded also.
So
it's
you
available.
sell all from basic
kind
to
of
professional,
professional
everything.
products like MAC, everything. All the starts with the basic and the professionals available. So each product, even the hair accessories, like entire makeup sets, it's available.
Even bridal makeup, everything.
Bridal, entire, even professional makeup, everything is available. We do have like 4 floors here.
Okay,
As
it's
per-
total
yeah,
4
4
floors.
floors.
Okay.
4 floors. Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's, so it does depend upon the basis. Like even the one who have a like a wholesale purchase also they can be purchased, resellable. Everything
Both
it is
wholesale and retail.
Yeah, both it is available. So all the product it's available. You can just go through the
Yeah.
product wise.
Which stall is this?
See, this is something where the hair categories,
Okay.
with especially like a shampoos, conditioner, hair mask, like professional hair cares, everything it's available. Like one who want a permanent straightening or temporary the hair colors, temporary hair colors, everything it's available.
And do we get any brand discounts on
Yeah,
this?
it is available. Like a reasonable price starts with again Himalaya start with the it depends
On MRP, do we get any
no,
discount?
on the MRP, it is reasonable price. See,
Okay.
example, if it starts with the Himalaya, 10%. If you go with the L'Oreal, 10%. There are
Based on the
based
brand,
on the
it varies.
brand it is. So it is all are wholesale prices, not on MRP. It is
Oh.
all wholesale prices.
Wholesale price.
Great. So now we have come to the other store here. Like, what products we get
These
here?
are like bridal hair accessories. It is.
Okay, hair accessories.
Hair accessories. It is. So we do have like nail enamels, like everything, all the things.
Okay.
Bridal plus nail arts. See, we do have like hair accessories, especially for the bridal purpose. So like this kind of a hair accessories will be available. Like not only this, even though we have entire sets of like curling, straightening, permanent, everything. We
All-
do have
all
the
kinds
kind
of
of a hair
accessories.
accessories. And we do have like hair flowers, like especially for the bridal purpose, different flowers for like
Okay.
as per the dress complexions. As per the brand wise, it is available. Like entire professional cosmetics,
Okay.
like Revlon, Kalava.
So all these are
All the
cosmetics.
cosmetic sections.
And again, discount depends on the brand.
Yes, each brand has a each discount like 10%,
Okay.
15%. There are different brands. As per the brand wise, there is a discount.
So these are like vegan combs.
Professional makeup brushes, everything is available.
Basically, they sell from basic to professional
Yes.
products in all makeup and hair accessories. Put up different counters for different requirements, but you can see like all these stores. Each store has different products. Starting from hair accessories, herbal products, creams, everything. What is this? Wax beads. Okay.
So this is called as a beeswax. Called professional can be used
Okay.
like especially for sensitive areas.
Okay.
So it's available like we do have like a gel base, creamy base, and the base base. So different wax it is professional also it is available. And we do have like fragrance in this professional purpose. And hair accessories like a straightener.
Yeah, straighteners, dryers.
Yes,
and-
ultra yes, everything it is available. Straighteners and waxing. Even we do have a waxers. Pedicure machines and it is available. Pedicure machines, everything is available. Categories it is, especially
Skincare
like
category, right?
skincare category.
Okay.
We do have like herbals, clinic product and professional products also.
Okay.
Even though clinic products, which are the reasonable levels. So
Okay.
example, if it is a clinic, we do have like Dermaco, Minimalist,
Okay.
and we do like Cetaphil, Sebamed. These are the clinic products.
Okay.
Skincare, we do have many branches. We have a look of
Okay.
brands.
So guys, that's it for today. Hope you
Hope
like
you've seen the full
yeah.
video.
I mean, if you visit here, you'll get everything.
Yeah, it's actually crowded, so we cannot shoot
Yeah.
regularly.
You can see we are sweating
shoot
already.
in other shops. Yeah,
Yeah.
it's too crowded.
So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and share this video to as many as people who are like enthusiastic about makeup.
Yeah.
I mean, everyone are. So yeah, please share it to them, and please like, share, and subscribe to the channel.
Peace.